Let go. I'm bored as hell at the crib, so I'm about to kill this motherfucking lifestyle instrumental. Got the hook on it too. Did a lot of shit just to live. Lifestyle. To the top. Shout out to my yay boy niggas. I'm on the top of the mountain, puffing on clouds, and niggas still, look, sitting here just thinking about how I want the riches in a decent car. I vision sipping champagne with some caviar. Get a fish tank, yeah, with a couple sharks. Now what's wrong with these rappers? Cause they be acting hard, but I know that they all pussy. Me and my niggas know better than act that way. We keep it real, y'all can never say we fake. Hey, it's coming. That's what my niggas saying, and I tell them that I'm on it. Hey, did you see my last performance? On stage and I had them peoples going. I told my girl we taking trips to them foreigns. Make sure her mom's straight. Make sure my mom's straight. Look, I got a whole family to feed, so I ain't going out like Hammer. No, they won't bankroll me. Let go. Follow me on Instagram at yayboy_2015. Make sure you comment and let me know what you think.